My name is Daniel, and I'll show you the high-level metrics when measuring desk utilization. Underused desks shows how many desks are used less than 20% of the time. We see here that 76 desks are severely underutilized, which are often the starting point for making quick changes. Average utilization gives a high-level indication of how occupied the workplace is. In this specific instance, we see a big scope to increase utilization as only 35% of the space is being occupied on average. Peak utilization and peak occupied identify the busiest period in the workplace, in percentage and by desk count respectively. Very valuable metrics enabling you to plan for the busiest peaks when everyone's in the office. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the video on how to view utilization data by department. Thank you.